Music and TV program. Hi, Sarah. What kind of music do you like?
Hi, Emily. I like pop music. How about you?
I enjoy pop music too, but I also like jazz.
That's nice. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift. What about you?
My favorite singer is Bruno Mars.
Great choice. Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do. I watch TV in the evening. How about you?
I do too. What TV programs do you like?
I like music shows and cooking programs.
I like cartoons and reality shows.
Sounds fun. We have different favorites.
Yes, but that's okay.
Of course. It's fun to share.